Rena mai vako kana tokangogona uka. Madiro andoita gona uka.
So I'm still in the process National Gebagafara. Dandana Bo Gonyeti. It's a Gonyeti. Uyu dishwash nje natural dishwash na. Mama ningani? Munengani? Itu. Ifo. That's actually $4 $8.50. My phone is not funny. I think if you're enjoying. Gino Tadini. Yeah. Ish protects yangu. Okay. Besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Delight and I do lifestyle content mostly in the form of vlogs. So if that's your type of vibe, please consider hitting the subscribe button to become a part of the family. I do lifestyle content, I do cooking content, and I am currently an unemployed graduate staying with my parents. So my life is centered around that and rural living. So please consider joining. And to all my returning subbies, my regular besties, thank you so much for always choosing this channel. I love you guys so much. So let's get into this video. When I last saw you guys, I was on my way to town and we were going grocery shopping. We are preparing for the Church of Christ National Conference. Churches of Christ National Conference, which will be happening in Mashoko from Thursday, the 21st of August to the 24th of August 2025. So that's what we're preparing for. So I'm just going to do a grocery haul with you guys. I think in the clip that I showed you, the previous clip, I was washing my hair and combing it out because we are currently in load shedding, so I couldn't use the blow dryer. I had to use a comb and the sun to dry my hair. So that's what I did, and I need to go get my hair done today. So I'm just going to do a grocery haul with you guys to show you the items that we got. We went to Metro Pitch, we went to Nyaningwe, and then Pick and Pay. Those are the 3 shops that we went to. So I'm just going to show you guys the items that we got.
here na mai vako kana tokangogona oga madiro andoita gona ruka
ndodzidzira. Hi besties, so it's currently 4:24 in the morning and I'm doing my final preps for the national conference that's starting today. Yeah, so I was just ironing my clothes and then now I need to bake some scones and then I need to do something about my nails, and I should make sure that I'm done with all of this by at least 6 so that I can get more sleep, because I woke up around 2 a.m. because I wanted to upload the vlog that was supposed to go live on Wednesday, which is yesterday, because today is Thursday, but you're seeing this on Sunday. So I was supposed to upload that vlog yesterday, but there was load shedding. I don't know what's going on these days. Sesa is fixing something, so they had to cut the power to fix that. So I ended up not managing to upload yesterday, and this one is supposed to go live on Sunday. And I should also make sure that I am done at least with the recording or with the editing, because it should go live on Sunday. I don't know if it's going to be Wi-Fi where we are going, because the conference is going to be held at a high school, so I don't know if they have Wi-Fi I can actually use, or maybe it's protected, I don't know. So I need to make sure that I get my stuff in order before I go. In terms of my TikTok, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to schedule anything, because I have a lot of stuff that I recorded, but I still need to go through the editing process and scheduling that for the days that I won't be around. Because if I didn't mention before, I use Wi-Fi to upload. I don't have money to buy data to upload, so I use Wi-Fi. So the moment that I'm away from home, that means I'm not going to be able to upload or do anything in terms of YouTube. So I need to get my stuff in order. I'll try to show you guys my hair. I did my hair yesterday. I just put on a head wrap because I was sleeping. So I'll show you guys later when it's a bit lighter, and I'll show you the hair that I did. I did twist using Brazilian wool, so I'll show you that later. It's longer than what I had the last time, because I wasn't so happy about the length last time, but I'm happy about this length. I don't know how I'm going to style this for the conference, but yeah, we'll see about that. So yeah, see you guys later. So I'm still in the process of doing my nails. This is the left hand. Now I'm going to do the right hand, and then I need to file them to smaller size.